Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is TJ, and on behalf of the entire flight crew, we're happy to welcome you on board United Flight 1928 with service to Chicago. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority. Please take a minute to review the safety card at your seat. Please also pause all conversations and pay attention to the following safety video, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different.
Here before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end and tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Now boarding.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Remember, if you must evacuate the aircraft, leave all carry-on bags behind. Taking bags could block the aisle, slow the evacuation, and prevent others from exiting safely. Please, do not bring your bags. If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. Thanks for flying with us. We'll be back with more details about today's flight once we are in the air. Flight time today, ladies and gentlemen, is 1 hour and 28 minutes, and the flight attendants were instructed to remain in their jump seats due to turbulent weather, so we highly encourage that you remain in your seats until that seatbelt sign turns off. It's for your safety as well as those around you. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago. Here is an hour ahead of Denver, so the local time here is 11 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off and we are fully parked at the gate. Here in Chicago, we make frequent stops. The only indication it will be safe to get out of your seat and to collect your belongings is when that seatbelt sign turns off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings. Once you exit the aircraft, you will not be able to re-enter. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted. We do have 56 connections on this flight, and we are early. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. If you checked luggage with us and Chicago is your final destination, it may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 9. This includes gate check luggages. If you gate check your luggage, it may also be retrieved from baggage carousel number 9. Any specialty checked items, those items were tagged with a pink or blue tag. Those are your assistive devices. Wheelchairs, strollers, car seats, walkers may be retrieved as soon as you exit the aircraft. So don't leave the jet bridge until ramp agents bring it up from cargo hold. And we are making our way to gate B12, that's Bravo 12. Terminal 1. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, we've enjoyed having you on today's flight. It certainly has been a pleasure serving you, and we look forward to seeing you again on another United flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. We should be at the gate in like 7 minutes. Once again, welcome to Chicago.